if we have been given f of h of x is equals to 14x minus 27 and f of x is equals to 2x minus 5, how do we find the h of x? Okay, so we have processed this h of x into here to get here. But we don't know this. How can we find it? Let's let y equals to h of x. Now we come to this processing machine. We didn't know. So let's just replace the y for here and we will maintain here. We are not going to process it because they have already processed it out. And that's what they got. So f of y is 14x minus 27. But this is a single function. So let's process y in here. So we will change this one for y. When we come here, we are processing. So it's going to be that. We know that we have f of y. We can equate and then we can able to solve for our y. So therefore, we can say that 2y minus 5 is 14x minus 27. We want to solve for y, so we will add here 5 and we will repeat the same thing here. And that will give us negative 22. We want to solve for y, not 2y. So we will divide here by 2. We will do the same thing for here and we will do the same thing for here. If that is the case, then we have able to process our y to be equals to 7x minus 11. Then you can bring back your h of x. So h of x is equals to 7x minus 11. And you can process this h of x in f of x to see if you get this. If you get it, then that means you did something right. Thank you.